the best of times, you walk me through my darkest days. Why must I turn around? I ask myself, this just ain't fair, so hard to bear. I'm not really sure these days, you walk away, you talk away, hard to bear.
Good morning, Monson Law. Welcome back to the show for Ash Week on show, episode number 93 of Gaelg Weekly, the bilingual version, Agron over Mocha 3, take Gaelg Weekly on Lagan Da Hyanguk. How are we all doing? Constamment Galer. Hope the week is going well. Hope you're enjoying the Easter holidays. If you have them, Tasul agam Goel and Sachtan. Ag Dolgama, agus Goel Civic Buins Tatnif, as Sierra Nakoska, Monta, Sierra Nakoska, Agat. Everything all good here. I'm back in Ireland for a few days. Tommy Arash in Aaron, or for a couple law. Trying to, well, I always come back for a week around April time ago. Ni Tagam Arash, or for Shachtan 01, hard there, me Ibron, but this year especially wanted to come on Easter. Imlina Vime Gahori Hagiri Sak the Rash, or for Shachtan and the Koska. Just because it's such chaos in Seville and things are all over the place always on Easter week or Semana Santa as it's called there. Igoni is Seville being ruddy or Fud na Hotsa agus been long chaos on sin air Hyachtан na Cosca. It's well Semana Santa Margliter air on Shin. It's just like St. Patrick's Day for 7 days in a row. That's Xula Lila Park or Fashak Law, Asakela, a load of processions and people queuing up, going to churches and people out and about, and it's cool, that's cool, but if you live right beside one of the main churches first, ma tá tú the Choni Dirkanacha, like Johns in a pre-Hoglish, like Semana Santa, then it can be a bit tricky. It's hard to let of a Bucklin Duchlonic, a bit challenging. So it's nice if you're living on the edge of the city, you can come in and celebrate it 1 or 2 days, that's like a jazz, ma tá tú Idle Choni Imul na Cathric, August Tatuan on Chak the Shack, August Hamak or for long no go, but for the whole week, even just going to the shops could be a challenge for you. Igdul, could see on Shoppa, could see on Tolwarga, Vekshay, Sock Jacker, or to be somewhat difficult to be so many people about and processions and parades and everything else. So back here in Ireland for this week for about 8 or 9 days, or for Harter Ucht, no Neil Law, and very happy to be back here again, and the weather's held up. It looks like it was going to change the day I came back. We come here Grousel and Ahru on Law Ahonig Merash, and that the 3 or 4 weeks of good weather in Ireland was going to stop. Grow on Peace on Travesa, Amashin, I'm sure took to Da, I'm sure Visha Hon Creek new, Agus Misha Egechel Shock here on Law Cana the same day that I was flying back, but actually it's been okay the first few days. Okay, the Kupla Law, Visha Gama, Gudzi Show. So anyway, this week on the show, on Sachtan Show, Air on Show, we're doing something a bit different. Tomatic Jane Rudagan, Bugling Chifrul. I think I mentioned it last week on certainly one of the versions, maybe all three. Louis May so Ganosher Kianwans and Lagnacha and Sachtan Gatsagam Leshkel. A bit are Gok Lagan Nilsam. I don't know, but we're going to do a bit of Desert Island Discs. So anyone who doesn't know a Desert Island Disc, ain't an Nachwell Desert Island Disc, or all sort of what does it involve? Kind of thought it guessed let basically go bonus up. It's a show that started on BBC Radio 1, I think in the 1940s or something. So the needs like Harrogate. And the way it works is a guest comes on the show every week or every episode. So Tagan E or and so Gok Agron no Gok Shockton, and they have to pick 8 songs or 8 tracks they would bring with them if they were going to a desert island. So Kahishid Ocht Naran of Yoku. O Hrochart Low, they'll make she'd ag dul go Ilan Trecha to a desert island. There's a 1 or 2 other things at the end of show. Tal Rud no Choala Ictera on so fresh, and they always have to pick a book to bring with them. Kai she'd Lower of Yoku Hun Torch Lobe, Gadzianilla. And they're given the Bible and the entire works of Shakespeare. So being Gachrad, saying like Shakespeare Akub, but it's called Malashin being a Bibla Akub, but they get to pick one more book outside of that. Tashin Nam Lower Wanella of Yoku Shakas Nikin Shin, and also one luxury item. So luxury item O1 Hun Torch Lobe to bring with them. But the main thing is the songs. That's what we're going to be focusing on today. But I will add the other things at the end. Tá mé hon na chinella a chur leis ag dzera on show. So it was tougher than I thought. We should need to not mar chapne to pick 8 songs on 8 naran of Fioku. I had a short list of about 17 or 18. We had to shop Ginzeg, the major up Ginzeg air on short list. So a few honorable mentions here of ones that didn't make it. Keen nach Raumin on Churstock in the final 8. Intimidated, Le Kaitronada, Maybe, Keshin Can Russell, A Little Less Conversation, Le Elvis, the JXL remix, Fascination, Le Alphabet, Rock and Roll Kids, Paul Harrington and Charlie McGettigan, I Used to Love Her, The Saw Doctors, Dog Days Are Over, Le Florence and the Machine, no, Florence Captain on Tanamata Urhinish, I think she just goes by Florence these days. Sometimes Le Jerry Cinnamon, Call Jamie Jones, King Tanamata on Gyan Shin, and Sish Grief Shisagum. I don't know what that one is called. By Jamie Jones, I've never written down. Lose My Mind. Yeah, Lose My Mind or In My Mind. Lose My Mind, Captain. Fisherman's Blues by The Water Boys, Good Luck, Basement Jacks, Optimistic, Le Brian Power, the Michael Gray remix, Right Here, Right Now, Le Fatboy Slim, Agus Jiran Shatana, Lesh Nafirain. So that was the one in Irish that I missed out. But there's an Irish one coming up towards the end of my list that did make it in. Had to pick one in Irish, of course. But start off number 1 today, and probably the easiest one to put in, to be honest. The one that was always going to make it. An ceann na bhí agónaí chun a bheith mar chuid den lista seo. And I guess I'll give a bit of a story or context with each song. Tá mé an scéal beag nó cóféixt ó thuirt le gach aran. I remember moving to Barcelona for the first time and moving to Spain for the first time in July 2020. Is cuilumm bolgu go Barcelona agus go dtí an Spáin don chéador I miúil gá bhíle is a fithe. And I enjoyed the 5 months I had in Barcelona. I really enjoyed them. A lot of ups and downs, of course, the first time you move abroad, but life-changing experience. Tahi Aintagus, Tahi Dahri Mahale gone out. And I remember coming towards the end, maybe it was the last weekend or the second last weekend, Bitter Garsimar and Zera Shatan and Zernach no on Dar Zera Shatan and Zernach before I went back home, or before I came back home, I guess I should say, since I'm in Ireland at the moment. Riv a hánig mé Ash and so Gaheran. And I was at an English friend's house, a friend from London, Cara o London, and I think we were having a drink before going out or something like that, beidir grama de gol, rud ag an riv dolmach, and he was playing different music, fi se chur ceol tifriúil siúil on the laptop and on the speaker, an rívra, agus an ordaí freisin, agus chur sé an taran so siúil, he put this song on, and I remember listening to it, and I wouldn't normally ask for the name of a song or kind of be that bothered because it's maybe in the moment it sounds good, but the next day it won't sound as good. Beidir ag an am sin tá chumaíontlach ach an lád ar gion ní bhaid sé chomh ma. But I said I have to ask for name and song. And he's playing a lot of, he almost listens to just London artists, doesn't listen to many artists outside of that. Just being sé géisteach le cheol ó London agus ó Ránithe as London. Ní bhíonn sé géisteach le mór an eile. So he's playing a lot of these different grime and rap and stuff. But he put this on, it was a bit more chill, and fell in love with the song. And for me, the song will always remind me of, I guess, moving to Barcelona for the first time. Ag bogu go Barcelona don chéador. But it's one of the songs, like a few of the songs in this, cosúla cúpla ceann in the Haron sa lista seo. I mean, it's Teach den Is, Orishas Mahale, just those songs that come up again and again and again in my life. And every time I hear them, Cachor Hoshan, na Haran so, it's still like I'm hearing them for the first time. Tá sé fós cosúil leis an gcéad or a déist mé lo. So, this is by Loyal Carner and it's called Otto Lengi, one of my favourite songs of all time. Ceann na Haran is Farlam in Sarah
Ones that I brought up never strong, never telling me to run, never trying to find a son, trying to get it done. Yo, I wonder if she'd ever be as clever as her mum. One.
Born and raised, made attempts to crawl away, find a way to exist and hide your face. Some relate, leave everything in yesterday.
So, that was Otto Lengi by Loyal Carner, sin Otto Lengi le Loyal Carner. I don't know really do I need to translate those bits, the intros and the outros to each song. Níl sam an gaithí mé na chin sin, na rudí sin astrú, mar tá siad beagnach mar an ggéanna I Méarla agus a Scoilga. They're almost the same in both languages, but always le in Irish for by. So Aaron le Adele, Aaron le Loyal Carner, a song by Adele, a song by Loyal Carner, if you weren't sure of that. Mana to Kinsa Fui Shin. And it's funny looking through the short list that I had there in the final list. There's a huge amount of music by artists from the UK and especially England. Tá méid sin ceol óránithe as an réachtaintia agus go háirithe as Sasanna. And I think if I only could listen to music from one country in the world, man ra mé lá nach chéisteacht le ceol ó Here Amháin ar Fulham Down, I'd probably pick England. Ceapan go ramóchan Sasanna, because whether it's I've talked about in the podcast before, if you make larts or Budker le Rivershaw, indie rock and house, they're my kind of two main genres on that genre. I had Níon Gomorlam. I know the first song I picked there wasn't either of them or anything really close to them. Tá sagam an chéad áran of Fiuchben sin Níl sé mar chuid de indie rock, Níl sé mar chuid de house. Tá sé anzifrill ar fad. But that's, I do like different genres as well. I like a bit of everything, but especially those two, indie rock and house, go háirithe an dá cheann sin. And if I look at those two genres, I look at house and think of all the brilliant house DJs from the UK. I made house DJs iontacha ón réachtaintia, Jamie Jones and Duke Dumont, agus na daoine seo tá sí imithe inis as my count. They're gone out of my head, of course I can't think about them. But a lot of really good ones. Gorgon City as well comes to mind. And Calvin Harris, of course. But a lot of different ones. Alon Keen to Friola. And then even more so probably with the indie rock and Oasis, who will be coming later. Don't worry about that. By Oasis ag tacht níos Janie. Laura on the one. I had to put a limit on myself with Oasis. Fiarm Tron chur or Fain let Oasis to only pick one. To not have every song be from them. Gan Kach Aaron about Oasis. But Archie Monkeys and the Smiths and the Strokes and Kasabian, Supergrass, agus Nicki and Shustoka, Britpop orintha Gleater Air. Sometimes it's called Britpop, that kind of thing. But I know it's a lot of different genres and things really inside of that Talan Zanarcha. Zifrula Tivasche to indie rock, as I call it, from the UK. And one song I think that sums up the sound or the kind of attitude I really like from UK indie rock. Better Our on the one, I thought like on Darka sin, no on Steel sin, on some Foom sin, that sound or that style or that attitude. I had Níon Gomorlam that I really like from UK indie rock. Oh, indie rock has an réachtaintia ná an ceann seo. And this band has a few songs I could have picked. Other ones would be See the World and She Moves in Her Own Way. Tá cúpla hour on egg on Mana Ceol seo. Bhí mé bidir smuoinú Hon Eid of Yoku. But in the end, I went for this one. It just always makes me feel good. Always makes me feel like I'm out on a Saturday during the day with my friends doing something fun and going Mohium, Nervi Megaistucht Lesh on Aaron so Goel me umwe Aaron Sahar Nig Jane Rudagan Cool na Rudagan Spriel the Macorja Shot Naive Le the Cooks. So that's Naive by the Cooks, Shin Naive Lesh na Cooks as Gaelga Stocha. And I mentioned there, indie rock, and then the other big genre for me is house. So I said, well, I have to pick my favourite house record of all time. Chahime Stocha and Taran House is Farlam of Yoku Freshen to put into this list. And it was tough because I do like so many different ones. The one I picked, actually, not a lot of people will know. Captain Not My and Kian Saw a Roll Segulandini. And funnily enough, I don't actually listen to this one that often. Ní bhí mé géisteach leis an Kian Saw Keiko Minic sin. For two main reasons. One, it's 10 minutes long. There's been say Ursula fra 10 nóméid agus mar an sé 10 nóméid the last 10 minutes. But as well as that, it's only available on YouTube. Níl se le fáil ach ar YouTube. So I normally listen to most of my music on Spotify, maybe a small bit on SoundCloud sometimes, Beidir Bugling or SoundCloud or on Gahan, but mainly on Spotify. And because this is a remix, it's not on Spotify. The original and loads of other remixes of this song is available on Spotify. But this, well, what I love about House, Rhoda Hadnin Gomorlum Madra Lesh on House, is the amount of energy that's in it. Ahmed's Funyev Atas down. But you know, you could say that about a lot of genres. Tatwalman is sin a raw Fuilan genres diffrula. For example, Marhamply, you could look at techno or dubstep, other kind of dancey genres. But for me, and I'm not giving out about those genres, they make Tortamak in the genres chin, but they have a lot of energy because there's a lot of elements and sounds in them. You know, maybe in a dubstep track, there's a really heavy beat and a really heavy bass line and loads of drums put in and loads of sound effects, a lot of ruddy exula, a lot of different things. And because of that, of course, the song has loads of energy and it packs a punch, let's say. Agus tá an cuacht aige, it has a lot of kind of power. But with House, the thing I like about it is the House on Rhoda Hadnian Lumfui is that every kind of individual part is quite light. So it's just a bit of piano, bit of vocals, kind of beat clap on the drums, a few hi-hats. There's not that much that's really big or really powerful. Neil Moran and saying a fear no on the war, but together it makes this amazing kind of feel-good, powerful record if it's done right. Lachéla tá an just record no an aran intach so le alan chuacht agus mohin tú go má géisteach leis, you feel good listening to it agus mar sinja. And I like a lot of different house music. I love songs like, you know, classics like Music Sounds Better With You, La Stardust, Lola's Theme, The Shapeshifters, You Don't Know Me, Armin Van Helden, a lot of the 90s stuff. And this is a 90s song, but a remix of it. I think the remix was done in the 90s though. And Capam Gunyarnu on remix Iret Nanokati Erenos. But it's only available on YouTube, so that's where you'll have to go if you want to listen to the full 10 minutes. Shinanat Chai Dudol, Matatu Igiri Eishtuk Lesh Ante Moment Umlan. But this is Rushing by Bump, The Valentine and Morena 95 mix. Rushing by Bump, The Valentine and Morena 95 mix. That's exactly what, if an alien came here, they'll make alien hunsacht and so, and asked me, you know, you have to show me, explain to me what dance music is, what house music is. That's what I'd told them. Shin on Rod Haspan hin Bove gone out. So I mentioned Spain there earlier. Louis May on Spawn Nisluha, and the love I have for Spain, and you know, it's changed my life going there, and it's where I live, and that's my, not my home. Galway will always be my home, but I guess my home certainly for the next few years. And lots is tócha takas a home dumsa agus an balia dumsa, and I have no plans in terms of leaving for another few years at least. Neil in plan agam hun fágal or for a couple of blin ella allowed. I'm sure we'll move back home at some point. Tá mi kínsa go tucha na walia ag pointsa egg in the future, so tauki. But there's loads of reasons why I love living in Spain. Talán cúisna difriúil agus fána difriúil go dat níon sig mórlam hunna bheith I machóní sa Spáin. But I guess one of the biggest things is the languages. Well, the language in Spain. Languages I love in general. Tangica, it's even Tangica, Gigaralta, but in Spain I especially love Spanish. I love speaking Spanish. I've loved the process of learning it, and it's been tough at times and been annoying at times, but it's been fun. If you spreil, gone out, agus tá sé full spreil, because with a language you never stop learning, and even though I'm quite comfortable with Spanish now, I can still get way better fós. Tá mé lán fiaus olwar chur mo chud Spanish, and I still want to do that fós tá mé géirí é sin a dhéanú. But I guess that's been a massive part, and you know, small stuff that really makes the difference, and it really makes you feel like you live there. Really bioga agus mohintu gultu naira il choni on sin, you know, being able to go to a bar or a restaurant or whatever, and music come on, and most of the music that is played in Seville anyway is always in Spanish. You don't hear much music in English. Ni flushin do more on Kjol really Emerla, and to be able to hear that music in Spanish and know the words and feel like I've heard the song a million times before, it makes you feel like you really live there. So I had to pick one song in Spanish, definitely, so I don't lose my Spanish abilities while I'm on the Desert Islands. I mean, the mé géirí stocham a chuid Spáinise a chailú agus mise an Ilan Trécha. So this one that I picked, it was actually a Eurovision song, or on Eurofish from 1990, on Níteach Nócha, a great year for a lot of different things. Year Ítach, Blin Ítach, le Ilan Rodí Zefrula. And this is by Bandido, Le Azúcar y Morena. Agus, yeah, ní mór le rágam for you. I don't have much to say about it really. Just out of all, there's loads of Spanish songs I like. A lot of really newer ones. Rara Vez is a great one. Si antes te hubiera conocido is really good. But if I had to pick one, I think I would pick this one. So, this is Bandido, Le Azúcar y Moreno. Anwa, chur chean déanta, chur chean fós le teacht. 4 ones done, 4 ones still to come. And yeah, it's funny because, as I said, I love living in Spain. I love the culture of Spain, the language and everything else, and using the language and feeling like I really live there as opposed to just going to an Irish pub every weekend and all that, which some other Irish do abroad. Nothing wrong with that. If you like that, Níl aon rud mícheart leis sin. Mas rud é go dat níon sé sin leat. Everyone is different, but not really for me. I like feeling like I live there, but again, it's interesting because the Irish side is still massively important to me. Tántí ver nach fós fearhov do dumsa, and it's my job. I teach Irish and speak Irish every day in my work. Bín meag mún an na Gaeilge agus ag láirts as Gaeilge gach lá in my chuid Zibre. Nor bhín me in Seville when I'm out in Seville. And, you know, I play GA out there and have a lot of Irish friends. Bín meag immert Pela Gaelach in sin agus talán chords airnacha. So it's funny, I guess, and there's one song that but talks about, I guess, the Kangulch is the only word coming to mind. What's in English? The connection in between the two countries and the link in between the two countries. So the ar an one alarian foin nask idir an da here, agus an Kangulch idir an da here. And it speaks about the Irishmen who went to fight in the Civil War in Spain in the 1930s. Lorraine sai foi na Herenig. Still kind of fear I don't think women would have been going off to the fight in the Spanish Civil War in the 1930s. Ní ceapan grow in Morocco, beidir grow cúpla ceann acu, maybe there was a few. But the Irishmen who went out to Spain in the 1930s na fear Ernacha a huimach gotí an Spáin, I réit na Níteach Trochaidí, and it was one of the few times where the Irish fought against the Irish, because there was Irish who went out to fight with Franco's side and Irish who went out to fight with the other side. I don't really understand the Spanish Civil War too good. Ní higum an coga carha sa Spáin anwa, so I'm not going to get into details in case it's anything right, but there's about 300 Irish men on one side, about 50 to 100 on the other side, and it's one of the few times in history, apart from the Irish Civil War, of course, when the Irish fought against the Irish in a real war. Gulga in around the Herenig ag trids in Eirnig Ella. Really interesting, and the song tells a good story about it and mentions a lot of people who died and how young they were. Loon say Alans and Nadini for boss, Alans and Herenig for boss. A lot of the Irish who died, agus Cake of Vogue, agus Avishid. And I had to put in a song by the brilliant Christian Moore, who is one of the Irish artists I listen to most out in Spain, and that, yeah, reminds me of home. I guess Kians and the Haraniha a bhí mé géisteacht leis na Harani Airnacha a bhí mé géisteacht leis níos mó na intain eile agus yeah, chuann sé éire. I gcuimhnú reminds me of Ireland. So Viva la Quinta Brigada le Christy Moore.
No pass around the place that made him fight. Adelante is the crier of the hillside. Let us remember that tonight. When the Irishman heard the call of Franco, joined Hitler and Mussolini too. The propaganda from the pulpit and newspaper have dug the field to
So, anyone who listens to the podcast will know we haven't covered a certain band or artist yet. Indan a bhín ag éisteach an bud craile go rialta regularly will know by is sagah that there's one thing we've missed out on. Ceann Rudhawan nachhfuil déint agin, or that we haven't mentioned, nachhfuil lúts agin, and that is of course Oasis. I had to pick one Oasis song. And Oasis, I know I joke about it on the podcast. Tá sam go mín mé is toch ag déanamh zóchana faoi Oasis and how addicted I am on andúil atá agam le Oasis. But really, it is really important to me in my life, Oasis. And Liam's solo music and Noel's solo music as well. On Ceol's solo, atá déint ag Liam and tá déint ag Noel. And it was tough to pick one. A lot of ones that I like, such as Listen Up, Gas Panic, Go Let It Out. Of course, the big ones, Live Forever, Wonderwall, Don't Look Back in Anger, Cím Cosúil Sin, Morning Glory. Probably the closest one to getting in that didn't get picked was Morning Glory by Oasis. If I could pick more than one Oasis song, or if I wanted to, that's the other one I would put in. Because I think that sums up Sin an Ceann Beidir has spawned, and it shows the real Oasis sound, or what the raw Oasis sound is for me. Cad atá gceis leis an fum Oasis, an fear fum de Oasis dumsa, right? So I might do a show like this later on in the year when the reunion happens, early July, talking a bit about Oasis, one full episode, and picking out my favourite tracks. I probably will. It's the great thing about being an independent podcast, and the rodíntach madser le a bheith I fud craile navsblock. And if anyone has any tickets, wants to help me out, get tickets later on the year, any of the shows in the UK or Ireland, please help me out. Má tá ticketí again dine le haid na sóna na ceol chornacha is asna no sarítaintia no in Éireann le el be golem. Let me know. Although I don't think there's going to be many people giving up their tickets for me, ni cheapan go mai mór an daoine ag dwairt a good ticketí dumsa. But anyway, the one I picked in the end is Slide Away. And I picked the live version from Nebworth in 1996. So on Ceann of Fiuchmace Jarrah sin Slide Away. And I've always loved the song, but I started to learn it on the guitar over last year. Hussy me ag fólam an taran saw air on guitar le blin na nús. And for me, when I learn a song on the guitar, not that I know that many of them, Neil Alan apparently air all the song air on guitar. Ach, I have a different appreciation for it. I guess I'm more grateful for how cool the song is and how good the song is. Been many buich as kick off jazz, as kick off cool, as thought and taran, and yeah, I guess I appreciate it a bit more. So this is Slide Away. I just love the lyrics, love the sounds, love the way it's sung, especially by Liam. It's even a chui of Liam a Canu on our show, and yeah, just listen to this. Absolutely, for me, different planet, down Zifril. Slide Away le Oasis ag Nebworth ní teag nó sé at Nebworth 1996. Okay, don't worry, we won't be speaking more about Oasis. Ní bhain ag labhairt ní smó faoi Oasis until the reunion show, maybe at the start of July. Go dtí Beidir an só faoin reunion ag tús miúil. I love songs that are kind of genreless. Is even them are on nachhfuil genre acub. So when you hear a song and you think, I've never heard anything similar to that before, níl aon rud cloiste am cosúil le sin riamh. So for example, as good as Slide Away by Oasis is, I can probably pick other songs by other bands that has somewhat a similar sound in some way, or you at least can say, okay, that's rock, that's kind of classic rock, it's rock, classic sin. But sometimes I'll come across a song and I'll think, wow, like I don't even know what genre that is, and it's because I've never heard anything like it. Níl sam cin genre atá ar sin, agus sin marial nachhfuil aon rud eile ar all the sam, cosúil sin. And one of the songs for me that's like that, and one of the songs that's just so feel good, Ceann to the Haran sin that tá feel good agus có dearfach so positive, is Inner Smile le Texas. Another song that again I might not listen to for 3 or 4 months in a row, but it's ní bhí me géisteach leis an taran so for 3 nó cheira bhí as a chéile. But then when it does come on, it's always the same motion, especially the part of the song I'm going to play now towards the end, the final chorus. just on a different planet down different in all era. Seo Inner Smile le Texas again, one of the live versions. So that was Inner Smile by Texas, Sin Inner Smile le Texas, and only one left. And of course, I had to finish off with one in Irish. Can't be losing my Irish either, as well as the Spanish while I'm out on the islands. Ní féidslum an Gaeilge Chailu agus Misha an Mui on Ilan Treicha, Casulish and Spanish. And as I said, I was going to pick one by Na Fiarain, because they're probably my favourite kind of artist or band who do, or who did, because they're not really around anymore. I think they still perform. They don't release music. Ní bhíonn siad a churma ceol ní smó. And I was going to pick Tierna Shatana or Duntan Raw Lat by Na Fiarain, who are a band from Spiddle, or a mix of Spiddle and Dublin, I think. Mascon idir an Spidgel agus Block Lia Captain. But anyway, not important. Arenos News at Havetuk. But in the end, I decided to pick actually a song that was done in English first, and then the same band did a cover of this song as Gaeilge, like they do for a lot of their songs. So, Fiuch me Aaron Sincera, Renew Reduce in Merla A, agus Tarisha Shin Renew Cluduk, Sri Gaeilge. So, this band has done that a few times with a few different songs. They did it with Heroes Are Gross, Taib Shin Lecha. They did it with Streaming Again, Bring Loads Rish. They did it with, I don't know the name of the version in English so far, is it? And it's Cosir as Gaeilge. And Lost in the Fog again, is it? Culture Sigorish. So they've done it with a lot of different versions, but for me, this is the one that comes up most in my life. And again, just is a good reminder of home and the sound I like, the indie rock kind of sounds. You know, I talked about English indie rock, we make larts go minic for indie rock assassina on saying agus Rick Daintia. But if I was to think about that genre in Ireland, there's only one band that stands out 100% as the number one pick, a Yasna Mach, Mar Irahain Dumsa, and that is the Coronas. Whatever song it might be, whether it's in English or it's in Irish. But this is the Irish language cover on Cluduk Gaeilge of Listen Dear, which I Listen Dear. Éist a grá an tanamatá as Gaeilge agus just tá sé híntaach seo éist a grá le the Coronas. I really need to start listening to the Coronas again. I got, like a lot of these bands, I go through phases where I might be listening to Oasis non-stop for 2 months, then I won't bother with them for 2 months after that. The same thing with the likes of Coronas. I need to get back into a bit of a Coronas phase. Captain Gagahi me filu arish na Coronas. So, as I said, those are the songs. Ashalengi by Loyal Carner, Naive, Let the Cooks, Rushing by Bump, the Valentine and Morena 95 remix, Bandido, La Azúcar y Moreno, Viva la Quinta Brigada by Christy Moore, Slide Away by Oasis, Inner Smile, Le Texas, agus an sin éist a chorá le the Coronas. But I also get to pick a book they give me on the show, or they would give me. Chorthach siad an Biblia, the Bible, done, and the entire works of Shakespeare, gach leabhar and gach play gachra dotínta ag Shakespeare. But I also get to pick one book myself, Tumin on Laurwan of Fiochu, Dunhain. So it's going to be a bit of a simple answer. Farger slice simply and show, because I'm just going to pick the book I'm reading at the moment, just Tumin on Laur Oil me Iglev Anish of Fiochu. But it's not just because I'm reading it now, this is just Marielle Oil me Iglev on Laur Anish, but as well as that, because for me, even only halfway into this book, I'm not even halfway into it yet. Níl me few, like, níl lats and lower daint agam few good show. I haven't even finished half it, and it's really changing my perspective. It's The Chimp Paradox by Dr. Steve Peters. So anyone who knows Dr. Steve Peters or doesn't know him, He's worked with a lot of big sports stars, so Talon Ibridzainta Egel Alon Railta Sport Gasula, Stephen Gerrard, Ronnie O'Sullivan, Victoria Pendleton, Chris Hoy, and a few others, Raheem Sterling as well, Raheem Sterling Kovna. And basically he helps them kind of understand how their mind works better so that they can kind of control their emotions, control their thoughts, and control the way they look at life a bit better. Onas Gomaishid in all the Ganis an gui vín siad ag fécinn sé an dain ag fécinn sé an saoil agus an chuí a oibríonn aon sin the way their mind works, ghfuil siad ag gceannas ar sin níos fearr, that they can be better in control of those things. So the chimp paradox is you can actually go and just listen to Steve Peters on a podcast speak about it, because he explains most things in the book on different podcasts. Being say ag labhairt agus ag míú aláint in the rudí atá istigh sa labhair fudcrailty difriúla, and he's done a lot of podcasts along pudcrailty tainteige, but again, I haven't even finished half it, and it's already over the last week or two changed a lot of things for me in terms of the way I think, the way I see the world, and I'm feeling better because of it. Níl mé mar dúirt mé leabhhealach tríd an leabhar seo agus hanafhain tá lán rudí athraithe I main sin tá méid fécinn sé an domhan agus féin. I'm looking at myself in Malach Honlan Sifrul. I would highly recommend reading it to literally anyone. Walton Gomor a blind dinner. It's not hard to follow, and it'll make a big difference in terms of being able to, I suppose, control your thoughts a bit more and feel better every day and feel more positive and not let stuff affect you. Nivai Ruddy a Churstakert, Aaron Level Kana, The Chimp Paradox with Steve Peters. You can get it on Amazon or wherever for about €15. Totman a Chanach or Amazon, like €2 dag, not €50. Even reading the first chapter is worth €20. Few ag leibh an chéad cabadéil is few €50. It's worth £20. So The Chimp Paradox by Steve Peters, because I'll get to finish it, and it's going to be a book I'll read again and again, I think, in the future. Laura Avayan, Tommy Hunley, Arish is Arish. So Tauchi, Arenos, and luxury item, again a bit simple, but I'm just bringing a guitar. Tommy Hun guitar, a Hortslum. I don't want any screens if I'm going to be out on desert islands. I don't want anything interrupting my dopamine. The Megarian with a Churstak and dopamine. So the Milan sauce that just like guitar. I'll have so much time to practice that if I ever escape, I'll come back and I'll be like Jimi Hendrix. By Maid Sinama Agam Hun Clactu, Motome and Aunt Elu, by Milan Chactarash, Agus by May Casula, Jimi Hendrix, Noel Gallagher, or Noel Gallagher, maybe. And I might even learn how to play some of these songs. I don't know if even like into Birayala, I think, and Slide Away. Don't know Naive, and then the other songs probably tough enough. Ish the Gra you could learn on the guitar. The other ones I'm not sure I could do. I think the house song Rushing by Bump might be tough to get on the guitar. But you might see Zachar hum Rushing le Bump a yellow air on guitar. But that's it, those are my picks. So let me know what you think. Inistum cod a chiapan shiv. You can leave a comment on Spotify if you're listening on Spotify. Switch that Tractort or Tractort actually. Algal Spotify no Tractort. Ochola Wiggum Patreon. Matatugi Eishtucht Patreon. Or you can give me an email as always about anything related to Gwelga Weekly or Learn Irish Online Totwalan. Reefust a Chur Wiggum. Einrud Madser le Learn Irish Online no Gwelga Weekly or Liam Punk Learn Irish Online at gmail.com. Thank you very much for listening. As always, guys, hope you enjoyed something different like this. Gurmi Lamagi, Mars Clonach, as a vet a geishtuk, Tasulagum Gurvin Shiv Tatnev, as on a grand show. I'll be back next week, as always, by Marash on Tachtan Shogun, Mar Iskanok, with episode number 94 of Gwelga Weekly, Lahagron, Ivra Nichachaher, de Gwelga Weekly. Slán, August Bannocht, goodbye, and God bless.
What must have turned around?